So this is a big day for our team. We are getting the creative team together to watch through Trial and Triumph, the rough cut, for many of them the very first time.
This made very much a statement in the city of Ephesus.
The writing began on this months ago, around the beginning of the year. Stuart led that charge, and Jeremy and Justin really helped him fine-tune that. And then I've been in post-production here since the beginning of February. Now we have a completed version of the whole story in a rough form. So no music, no coloring, very few sound effects, but the story is there. And now it's the part where we watch it all the way through and we give the necessary creative feedback to really start dialing this thing in. I'm a little nervous, truthfully. I've been, poring over this. That's been my role, and I'm excited to show it to the team, but good editors check their egos at the door because this isn't my project, this is our project. And while I am at this stage the most familiar with the content that we have, it's not my story, it's our story. The point of all of that is to make this story the best that it can be. So that means cutting out the stuff that doesn't work, or rearranging the story so that it makes more sense, or adding the right visuals because it just doesn't quite give you that impact that we're hoping for.
The reason we're here is because it was a vision from John's brain.
Yeah.